Why do you keep looking for apps to make money when there are apps that you can actually make money? You've been using these apps, like you use them every single day, but you don't know that you can actually make money from these particular apps, or you have been told that these apps, they are hard for you to use and make money. Maybe that's what you feel within you. In today's video, I'm going to share with you four simple apps that you make use of every single day. Maybe I can also make it five, but you see, the number three is my best. So please make sure you watch this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. So the number one app I'm going to be talking about that you make use of every day is TikTok. You know, a lot of us make use of TikTok. We go to TikTok and we just make use of TikTok and just watch dance, watch movie, browse about how to make money online without knowing that you can actually cash out with TikTok. Yeah, if you're in Nigeria or any other country that is not monetized by views, you can actually make money with TikTok by going live. That's number one. Then number two, how to make use of TikTok to like actually make money is by creating a TikTok UK account. And if you want to do that, please, if you don't know how to go about it, let me know in the comment section how to create a UK TikTok account, and I'm going to be making video on that. But if you want me to make it myself for you, that means you are going to be giving me something to do it for you. Okay, so that's number one of it. TikTok. How many of you know that Facebook is actually paying? If eventually that you invest yourself, your engagement, you get engagements more on Facebook. I think Facebook is even the simplest platform for you to monetize. It's not that hard. Reason why I'm saying that it's not hard is because you just have to like make friends. Okay, send friend requests. Then after sending some friend requests, you get friends. You turn your Facebook account into professional dashboard or professional mode. Boom, you've already gotten followers and all that. Then you start following the Facebook guidelines on how on weekly challenges and all that. Then before you know it, boom, once you start getting engagement, you start doing things that people really like. Believe me, you are actually going to be making money every single month from YouTube, from Facebook pays a lot. I talked about TikTok and I've talked about Facebook. If you want to know how to also make turn into professional mode with your Facebook account, let me know in the comment section. I'm also going to be doing video on that. So you just have to post. You can also take people's posts, then just have to like screen record or do whatever, then have to put your face or any logo or anything that shows that is going to be your own original content. Then you can post it on Facebook. And the third one, which is actually my best and like I so much love, is YouTube. Okay, despite that YouTube is so hard for you to like make money from it, YouTube is actually the best of it, all. Though you try to like grow your engagement, you try to like do a lot of things for you to grow, YouTube is paying. Like a lot of people withdraw money once you are monetized. Believe me, every view counts for you. Is your money. My people call it ego or egogi. Is your money. So you are actually going to be like cashing out monthly. That's YouTube for you. I know a lot of you know that. Just put up a content here on YouTube, original content of yours here on YouTube. Stay away from copyright and all that. And once you start getting subscribers, of course you will need like 500 to 1000 subscribers. You need like 3000 to 4000 watch hours before you can monetize your YouTube. If you want me to also do videos more about YouTube, let me also know in the comment section. Okay, so the fourth one is Instagram. Like a lot of us now, maybe you'll be watching this video to this extent and you're wondering why am I mentioning all these particular platforms. They are very common. Those platforms are paying. Okay, then Instagram is something that you wouldn't want to like a lot of us don't know much about Instagram, right? But Instagram helps a lot. Okay, once, even if you don't get to the monetization criteria or whatever, you can use your Instagram to like get people who are actually like brands that actually wants you to like brand, or a brand that wants you to advertise for them or wants you to work for them. Okay, so with your Instagram, being consistent on Instagram, you are actually going to be making more much of money. Like, you get brands looking out, coming out for you. You get brands wanting you to advertise for them, and believe me, you can charge them anything you want them, like you want to charge them. Okay, and the fifth one, I love this fifth one so much, but I don't know if you know that this particular app helps a lot. This app is Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest pins, a lot of people go to Pinterest to like search for stores and all that. How do you drive people to your Pinterest? You drive people, like, Pinterest is this a place that some people goes, and like they'll be like, how to dress today, like dresses for like chubby girls, dresses for slim girls, like all those matching stuff, best share to buy, all those kind of stuff. That's Pinterest for you. And if eventually that you are making use of Pinterest, believe me, you are going to be cashing out, most especially if you are into affiliate marketing. If you're into affiliate marketing, you just have to post whatever it is that you're doing on Pinterest. Pinterest pin, right? Once you post it there, people who search for that particular thing, just mention that it's something that is trending, something that people are actually looking for. Then once you post them there and people come searching for it, it also helps you build your business. Even if you are doing something like outline business, offline business, sorry, if you're doing offline business, you can actually use Pinterest to actually make use of it. Okay, so you video, or you post, or you picture your products, then have to like post it on your um Pinterest pin. Then once you leave it there on your board, people who search for those things are going to see it, and it's like people, a lot of people now search there to get ideas or to get stuffs. Okay, so if this video was helpful, please don't forget to hit that subscription button, and please don't forget to be part of this family, and let me know which particular app you're going to be trying out in this video. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.